So, no, you don't.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day, which is Atlanta 404 day. So I'm repping my Atlanta stuff today. So yesterday the trivia was so much fun. It had gotten a little competitive in there. Some people were like a little bit serious. I was like, whoo, Lord, child. So outside of that, it was really fun. And we came into, me and my group, we came in second place. So we won a gift card back to Walking Marcy's. So I'm looking forward to that too. So today I'm getting ready to head to a 404 breakfast, and I will tap in with y'all later.
High volume.
Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross them. Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross them. Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Boss them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn your click up, dog.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keeping it street.
Hey y'all, so I just made it home. So I just got back from the AT&T 404 code drop party. So baby, I was tired. So the doors open at 8 o'clock. So me and baby got there at about 7 something. I got in line. I just think it was like right at 7. So what was going on was AT&T had released some 404 numbers, and they were giving away 75 phones to the first 75 people in line. So initially when I saw it, I was just like, man, I ain't even gonna be able to, it's probably gonna be a whole bunch of people there, blah blah blah. So no, I got there at 7. and your girl got a new phone. Like, say what? Like, oh my god, y'all, I got a brand new phone. So let's look at it. So this is a box that it came in. Like, how cute is this? Yeah, so it was this zip box, and then so inside. So let me put the camera. Let me put the camera down so y'all can see. Okay, I want y'all to see that news. So this is the box, and so it has this right here in it. So basically it's saying if you're reading this, you're officially a 404. And then so it got our number or whatever. Okay, so it says we just have to email this. Okay, so you know, I got this cute little paper. Like, look at it, it's so cute. Like, I'm actually gonna save this paper because this is going to be paper that I put like in somebody's gift bag. Cause how cute is this? It says ATL. Like, it's so cute. And then yeah, so I need to. So yeah, y'all can see like it's an iPhone or some personal information on here. But yeah, so this is the phone, and I'm cover this back up. Put this over here. So then I'm gonna show y'all what else we got in the bag. So they was giving us these cute little snap bags. So how cute is that? And then this is the one my boyfriend got. Yeah, so they both say 404 on it. I got the one with the little hat on it, and then he got this. And then what we could do is just share, so we can alternate, you know, like the different hats we get. So I got this peach, like iron on, and then his got this on it. Yeah, and then we also got these 404 fannies. Yeah, come through AT&T. And then we also got a shirt. So I'll show y'all with the shirt. So they have one with a telephone, but I kind of like this, the peach. So I went with the little peach. It's kind of a plain front. That's the only thing. But the back. Yeah. Yeah. So the back is fire. So yeah, and I'm a little Georgia peach, so I feel like I had to have this, like the little peach. So yep. And then I got then let me get me another little iron on. So I'm gonna iron these on like maybe some jeans or something. I don't know. I might just hold on to it, yeah. But yeah, child, so made it back home. I am so tired. Today was a good 404 day. Like 404 was good to me, okay? Because baby, I had free breakfast. I had free drinks. I had a free iPhone. Like, baby, I'm like, I'm just, my day is made. Like 404 owes me nothing. Okay, you hear me? Nothing. So I'm looking forward to like next year 404. I'm gonna be prepared to go. It's gonna be on Friday next year. So baby, like it's gonna be here. Yes. So I cannot wait. But baby, I'm about to relax because your girl is tired. Okay. And I will check in with y'all later, or this might be like the end of the video. I have no idea. Well, yeah, it might be the end of the video. Yeah. So yeah. So I will catch y'all in the next video. This is just wrapping up my 404 day activities, and I will catch y'all in the next video.